Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Textcortex. Textcortex said you should just imagine it as an all-knowing colleague. That is, it fits right into your workflow, transforms scattered data into actionable insights for smarter decisions. So Textcortex is an AI-powered writing assistant and content creation platform that offers a range of features to streamline and enhance writing workflows. Its key features include AI text narration, paraphrasing and rewriting, summarization, tone changer, translation into over 25 languages, grammar and spell checking, Zeno Assistant, which is an AI companion to assist with writing tasks, outlining and generating ideas, Zeno Chat, a customizable conversational AI for various queries and content generation, knowledge base, they have different knowledge bases, sorry. This is to create searchable databases by uploading personal documents, website integration, extensive templates, over 100 AI templates for specific writing needs, workflow automation, data analysis, and personalization. Overall, TextCortex aims to boost productivity and efficiency for individuals and teams across various writing and content-related tasks. So just go to textcortex.com and give it a try. You can sign up. If you want to know more about the pricing, you can check out this part of it. It's as simple as that.